Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
The latest trends in garden design for 2025 are explored, providing inspiration for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. This video highlights innovative ideas for landscaping, planting, and incorporating elements of nature into your home. This year's trends are all about creating an outdoor oasis that's both beautiful and functional. We'll explore the hottest trends in landscaping, planting, and outdoor living. Get ready to transform your garden into a stylish and inviting space. Sustainable gardening. Focus on eco-friendly practices like composting, water conservation, and native planting. Biophilic design. Integrate natural elements like wood, stone, and water features to connect with nature. Vertical gardening. Maximize space and create a stunning visual impact with vertical gardens and green walls. Pollinator-friendly plants. Attract beneficial insects and butterflies with colorful blooms and diverse plant choices. Edible gardens. Grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs for fresh, homegrown produce. Low-maintenance plants. Choose drought-tolerant and pest-resistant varieties for a worry-free garden. Outdoor kitchens and fire pits. Create a cozy and inviting atmosphere with outdoor kitchens and fire pits for entertaining and relaxation. Multifunctional patios. Design your patio to serve multiple purposes, such as dining, lounging, and entertaining. Outdoor lighting. Illuminate your garden with stylish lighting features that enhance the ambience and security. Start small. Begin with a manageable project like creating a small herb garden or adding a few new plants. Seek inspiration. Browse magazines, websites, and social media for garden design ideas that fit your style. Plan and sketch. Create a basic plan for your garden design before you start to ensure a cohesive look. Use this video as your guide to transform your garden into a stylish and functional outdoor sanctuary. Don't be afraid to experiment and personalize your garden design. Start planning your 2025 garden makeover today. A vibrant, hyper-realistic, outdoor patio scene. A hammock, orange-red in color, with fringed edges, hangs between lush greenery. The patio is paved with large, light brownish-tan stones, creating a textured surface. Various potted plants, including vibrant orange and pink flowers like chrysanthemums and other flowering plants, fill the patio space. A light brownish-orange/terracotta colored wall forms the backdrop, punctuated by a set of dark brown French doors. A wooden bench with a light brownish-yellow/beige couch and two cushions sits in the middle of the patio. There are decorative hanging plants with reddish flowers climbing over the pergola or roof structure above the patio. A meticulously designed Japanese garden, nestled within a modern home's courtyard. A serene waterfall cascades over smooth, dark gray rocks into a small pool. Winding wooden walkways, crafted from planks of brown wood, lead through the gravel-covered expanse, which is filled with small, dark gray pebbles. Large, dark gray stones, various shapes and sizes, are strategically placed throughout the garden, adding to its natural beauty. A variety of meticulously shaped shrubs and bushes, with vibrant green and crimson colors, create a dense, verdant backdrop. A Japanese maple tree, with elegant crimson foliage, adds a touch of autumnal splendor. Lush bamboo stalks line one side of the garden, providing a vertical green backdrop. A spacious, outdoor seating area, inspired by Japanese design. Wooden flooring, with a light brown/tan hue, is the prominent feature. Multiple rectangular, cushioned seating areas with an orange rust/terracotta color are scattered across the space. These are low-profile, padded, and upholstered, with subtle texture suggesting a corduroy or velvet material. The seating is interspersed with several rounded, light beige/tan wicker or woven poofs/pillows for comfort and visual variation. Large, weathered, natural-toned pottery planters, various sizes, add to the rustic ambience. Subtropical foliage, and a view of trees and lush greenery are visible through sliding, light honey-toned shoji screens. A vibrant outdoor scene, a lush garden patio area, featuring a round navy blue and beige patterned rug centered on a brown wooden deck. A macrame hanging chair, light beige with fringe, is suspended over the rug, cushioned with navy blue throw pillows. The chair, a bohemian-style piece, hangs in the center background, amidst a verdant garden filled with green trees, shrubs, and various plants in pots. The sunlight filters through the foliage, creating a warm and inviting ambience. The garden displays a variety of plants, including Japanese-style topiary trees, ferns, and leafy greens. A meticulously landscaped modern garden with a contemporary house. A series of tiered concrete steps and platforms descend into a network of water features. Large, smoothed, dark gray spherical stones are strategically placed throughout. Various shades of greens, oranges, and reds from flowering plants and shrubs are interwoven with the gray stonework and water. Soft, warm, golden light from a late afternoon or early morning sun bathes the scene, creating a sense of tranquility and warmth. The house has a modern minimalist design, with light beige/gray concrete walls and dark brown roofing. A tranquil, serene garden scene at sunset. A modern, abstract, dark gray metal water feature, shaped like a flowing, organic form with a central hollow, is the focal point. The water within the sculpture illuminates with warm, golden light. The water cascades down into a dark gray, bowl-shaped basin filled with small pebbles. The water in the basin reflects the surroundings and golden light. The path is made of light gray and brown stones, leading through a garden filled with various plants, including shrubs, grasses, and ferns. Stone walls and a natural wooden slatted fence create visual interest in the background. The lighting is ambient and soft, emphasizing the golden highlights on the water feature and highlighting the textures of the plants and stones. A sun-drenched, meticulously landscaped courtyard enclosed by a terracotta brick building with a reddish-brown tiled roof. The courtyard is paved with gravel, accented by pathways of small stones and pebbles in various shades of brown, gray, and beige. Large, terracotta pots are filled with various vibrant green plants, shrubs, and flowering bushes, including palms, ferns, and herbs. A small fountain with a white basin sits in the center of the courtyard, creating a focal point, and water gently sprays. The brickwork of the building is a rich, warm brown. The tile roof has a similar warm, burnt orange hue, complementing the terracotta pots.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.